and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Kahoot without creating an account. So it's very simple. You already have the Kahoot app. You just simply erase the data. Yes, clear the cache and clear the data. If you don't have it, download it, and then when you download it, once you've done either of the two, that you download it fresh or you just clear the cache and the data, make sure you clear the data. Once you've done that and you open it to start from the beginning, so it says already have an account login, just click on next. It tells what type of account you want to create. Now I want to create a professional account, so click on professional. Then what role do you want to play? Select order for now, and then create a free account, log in, sign up. Just simply choose maybe later, and it's as simple as that. So now you can use Kahoot without creating an account. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.